Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Backpacktrader training room for Wednesday, July 31st, 2024. Please note the required risk disclosure. This room is for educational and information purposes only. It's not to be considered individual financial advice. Trading of this type carries substantial risks and should only be attempted with funds you can afford to do without. All right, set that aside. We do have a crude oil inventory session this morning, 10:30. So I'll run till about 10:15 in here, then we'll shut it down and come back again. And looks like we have a potential short trade on unleaded. Not triggered yet. And that's one close above the balance line. Now, actually, no, it didn't close above. So that is still a valid trade. Unleaded picked up what a target one. So target one traders would be done this morning. Get in sync with this early short. This first yellow short was too fast to catch, so that would have been an avoidable loss. The second yellow one wouldn't have been avoidable, so target two traders would have taken the loss there. 39 ticks of risk, so that's a 78 tick loss. We picked up, let's see, 4072. And stopped out right there on that trailer at 4042. So that was 30. So we got 60 ticks on that. So we're only down 18 ticks for target two. Target, as I said, target one is out. Target one traders picked up 75 ticks, 76 ticks. I'm sorry, 49 ticks on target and 30 ticks on the trailer. That's 79. And you are done. Market is just about to open. Crude oil, first trade of the day is the short. It's gone through target one and target two. And so that is 11 and 18, 29 ticks for the 9 a.m. session. So that one is behind us. I'll go ahead and move unleaded up over top of that. So we can take a look at. And the market is open. Soybeans has a get in sync short. I didn't get the entry up on that one. Here we go. And the YM is short now. Yeah, that hit too fast on the long, so the short is our first trade. And that one definitely would be in play at this point. And now a stop and reverse. It's going to be at 961. And I believe that triggered in. Nope, didn't trigger in, so we're still in the short. We are in that short right there. A blue short, so we're looking for, and now we do trigger into the long. We stop and reverse into the long. Money management is right up there at the 50 and 200. Oh, that's interesting. And the stop and reverse to short at 37. It looks, yeah, 937. Hasn't triggered yet. Still is long. Russell's in a long trade. Has hit money management. And looks like it stopped out intra-bar for a break even. Actually, no, that one. We'll have to look at that. That may or may not have gotten to money management before it pulled back down. A YM trade going to target on the long side. Actually, our target was back here. We never got to the 37 entry, so we've got a, let's see, did we get, trailer is at 84, and we got as low as 85, so no, we're actually still, if you didn't take the short entry as an exit, we're still in that, well, okay, we just got stopped out right here, I believe. So I managed to stay in there. I would have gotten stopped. Well, okay, that is on the balance line, so $94. So $92 would have been the stop. And how low did we get on that one? We've stopped out now anyway, so that one is one and done. Yeah, and get in sync. So that would have been our trade right there. Hits target one and trails up to, let's see, did I say that? Did that get down to 92? Okay, 94 would have been the stop here. It did. It got down to 92, so 92 would have been our stop out. Hitting it on the nose right there. Soybeans got into our, it's a short trade early. Has not actually, that just did trigger in. And the long was filtered out by hybrid mode, because we would have just triggered ahead of that. So we are in the short trade. We just came to our start on the micro NQ, so we're flat on that one. This micro Russell, we do have red label news at 10 o'clock, so I would stand down about 5 till if you're not already in the trade. Looks like that would be, should be in the trade. So wouldn't have hit money management to this bar. Have to look at the timing, whether that's a break even or a nice win. Long trade on the micro NQ. Long on the unleaded, and then stopping and reversing to short. So now we're short. Target 2 traders only. Target 1 traders are out. And let's see, entry was at 44, so it'll go to 39 on the stop and reverse. And there's money management. 5-tick adjustment. Yeah. 30 ticks to money management, so no adjustment needed there. There's target 1. That's of no consequence to us now, because only target 2 traders are in this trade. Micro NQ working its way toward money management at target 1. YM is done. And we now have a short on micro Russell after long didn't trigger. That one's possibly a break even also. We'll take it for a win. Targets 3 and 4 again, trailing at 68.1. Still trying to make money management on the micro NQ. No trades this morning on the pound Aussie. That short set up way too early for us to get involved in. And we would have had a stand down at 8:30 anyway for red label news. So state wouldn't have been in that until 8:35. Strong trailer now on the micro Russell. Money management and I wasn't watching that. Yeah, that's actually going to be a break even, because it touched money management on the bar before. So that's a break even trade on the micro NQ. Micro Russell in a second. Good size winner with a good size trailer. It's trailing beyond target 4 again. Unleaded with another partial win. Still not getting. That's not going to be enough to get us positive, I don't believe, because we've taken full loss here. That was 39. That's our 78. We're down 18, and we took 71 to 39 is 32. So that's 64, 74, 80. We're down 82. And actually, we just picked up two, so we're down 80. Stop and verse at 39, so our break even stop would have been 38. So we're down 80 at this point for target 2 traders. There's a long trade possibility on the pound Aussie. Target 1 on soybeans. Stop comes down to 16 and a half. That's going to be a one and done session this morning. That's counterpunch. 5-tick momentum bar, $1.25 momentum bar on TradeStation, 5-tick range bar on NinjaTrader. Volume is done, so I'm going to slide unleaded over there. And we stop out the micro Russell trade at 63.7. 2 wins. So money management is at target 2 on the pound Aussie trade if we do trigger into that. Micro NQ trade, triggering in, going to money management and target 2. So that is a win. So we have a break even and a win. A nice trailer, all 4 targets. Stopping out on the short and avoiding the long, it looks like, momentarily. And now triggering into the long. And needing to work up through the 50 EMA. Target 2 on soybeans, maybe even target 3. Yeah, target 3 on achieved on soybeans as well. 13, 20, and 28. 43, 71. 71 ticks. That's a bit over $350. 362.50. No, I'm sorry. That's heck. 71 points is 8 3/4 points. So that's almost 450. 437.50. Trailer at 14 3/4. And the pound Aussie trade has canceled. We picked up a break-even trade on the micro NQ, and now we're in a short. Looks like it just took a full loss. Yep, just took the full loss on that one. So our long trade got a break even. 2 break evens, 1 win, 1 loss. Long trade. Micro NQ. Soybeans looks like it's going to go to 14.5. Long trade on the micro Russell. Let's go up to 66 flat, it looks like. Yep. And taking a full loss. Money management on the micro NQ and a break even, another break even trade. So that is 3 break evens, 1 loss, 1 win, 1 loss. One more trade on the morning. And there it is, a short trade just triggered in. And that goes for a full loss. So 2 losses, 1 win, 3 break evens. The 1 win probably would have, neither one of the losses were unusual, so 62 points each there. Win, sorry, it's 2, 3, and 4. So we get 28.5, 40.5 is 69. 52.5, 71.5, 121.5. We were 124 down, and we got almost a target 3 trail. So yeah, we're going to be positive on that session anyway. By virtue of that one solid trade. Short on the micro Russell has gone through targets already. Targets 3 and 4, and is trailing at 60.1. That went down 2 ticks. From 60, so it'll go 59.8. That would have been money management. So 3 wins. One loss there. Actually, may have been the 4th win. So that would have been win number 1, assuming we got in it and didn't go break even. 1 win, no trade. 2 wins. That very likely could be a 3rd win. And soybeans down to 14 flat. No 10 a.m. mini session on crude. Well, I'm sorry, 71 ticks. Let's see, that's divide by 4. 72 would have been 18. So 17 3/4. That's actually 850, 887.50. And 13.5 on the trailer. So that is 15 so far. That's 86 ticks. 21.5 points. $1,075. Big win there. Not going to be involved in either one of those, but 4 wins and 1 loss, or 3 wins and 2 losses, 3 wins. It looks like it's going to be 4 wins either way. Yeah, that's another win, so that would be 4 wins and 2 losses on our 6 trades. And all of our wins were targets 2 and 3, and at least decent trailers. Soybean still in the short. Trailer at 13.5. Micro NQ is done. Only 1 win, 3 break-evens, 2 losses, but still a positive session. Because our 1 win was very strong. All right, final trade stopping out on Micro Russell. 10 o'clock, so anything that, yeah, well, let's see. The only thing we have running right now is, it's flat, is the pound Aussie, so that's going to stand down. Not pound Aussie, I'm sorry. Unleaded. Pound Aussie stands down also. So the unleaded and the pound Aussie standing down. We're still short on soybeans. YM crude, both power of quitting. Micro Russell and Micro NQ, power of quitting on their trade plans. No 10 a.m. mini session with the inventory report coming up in half an hour on crude. Unleaded, target 1 traders are power quitting. Gaining 79 ticks. Target 2 traders are actually 80 ticks down after 3 trades. Or no, 4 trades. Three more ticks on the trailer on soybeans, 12 3/4. It's not very often that we have the micro NQ finish up with 4 unleaded. That is the case this morning. Pretty active market so far. Soybeans down to 12 1/4. There's another 2 ticks. So that's now up to 91 tick net profit on this trade. $22 3/4 points. Looks like maybe another 3 or possibly even 4 ticks coming. Yeah, looks like we're going to get down to 11 and a quarter on the close of this bar. Unleaded picked up a long trade while we were talking. There's money management. So we're going to get at least a couple of ticks out of it. And it just looks like it just stopped out for those couple of ticks. Target 2 traders now down 78. With one trade remaining. Let's see if we get it. Pretty fair chance we're not going to be able to follow it to the conclusion. Soybeans pushed its session low down a tick. It's 1,008 and a quarter. Looks like soybeans running into fairly significant support there. Close is definitely going to be below the balance line. I'm going to go ahead and bring this to 11 and a quarter. And of course, while I'm doing that, the bar closes and the trailer just comes down. And so 71 and 24. We're at 95 ticks. One tick away from 24 points. A $1,200 trade. Right now, 1187.50. Break even stop out, unfortunate and unleaded as it hits target 2. Micro Russell just oscillating right around the session open. It's like 260.9 was the session open. I don't like to see crude moving this close to the inventory report. Because if it moves significantly before the report, the likelihood of it moving significantly after the report is not nearly as good. But it is 10:15. So I will wrap this one up. I'll be back in about 10 minutes, or 10 to 12 minutes with the crude oil inventory report session. So everybody have a good one, and we'll see you back in about 10 minutes. Soybeans trade still trailing, still with the trailer, and that's our only active trade as I close out. Already a very positive trade. So on to the crude oil session.